What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this AUTO-VOX dual dash camera capable to record full HD 1080p in the front of your car and inside as well. Make this camera ideal to have for the domestic as well as the commercial use if you're a taxi, Uber or any commercial vehicle. Also equipped with the Sony advanced sensor, both front as well as rear. Come with the IMX307 sensor, which is fantastic for the low light recording. Technically, you're not going to miss anything in that pitch dark area as well. This is covering front of your car and also inside, where the front sensor come with a wide angle of 170 degree and inside 150 degree. Also come with all typical features like parking monitor, locking your footage in case of any emergency, GPS tracking with the data synchronization, and you can use it all using the AUTO-VOX player. But that is not the end of the feature. It also comes with a wide dynamic range. So technically all the footage would be always clear automatically, so you don't need to turn on anything like exposure on and off. In my video reviews I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing. So if that is something you are looking for, why not hit the like and subscribe for my channel. Now to start with, first we're going to see the recorded footage of this dash camera, following with the unboxing and the looking into the features. By the end of the video, you will have an idea that this AUTO-VOX camera for you or not. So without any further ado, let's straight away get into the footages. Let me show you how you're going to play your video footage in AUTO-VOX GPS player. That you need to take the SD card out of your AUTO-VOX dual dash camera and connect it with your computer. Whenever you open up the SD card in your computer, you're going to see this AUTO-VOX Lytf player version available in the SD card. Now you need to install it on your Windows PC. I have already installed it. Let me open up and show you how it's going to play up actually. Now once player is open, you need to click onto this folder button in here. Then locate the footage you would like to play. Open it up. Now on the right hand side you could see the GPS display with respect to the map. Click onto this cog button and convert this all into the Google Maps. Better that way. Then click this one, alright, and off you goes. And as you can see that you are going towards it, you can see that when footage was started, it's going to show you each and everything with respect to the miles as well per hour actually. So you can easily scroll through this whole data if you want to, where you stopped it, and everything will be recorded. A night recording of this camera from the front as well as from the cabin. What do you think about it? Is it something you are looking for? If so, link is available in the video description if you're interested in it. Now further, let's check out what comes with this camera. Camera comes with the user manual, one template sheet to install your camera on your windscreen, couple of clips to tidy up the wiring, as well as the VHB sticker, one 5-meter long micro USB cigarette lighter charging cable, one tool to open up the trims of your car. Very handy tool to have, to be honest with you. Now in last but not least, we have an AUTO-VOX dual dash camera, where in the front of camera we have a lens which is capable to record full HD 1080p at 60 frames, come with the 3 megapixel lens with a wide angle of 170 degree, and on the back LCD screen, 4 infrared LED lights, and a camera which is also capable to record full HD 1080p, but all in black and white, crisp and clear. On the left side of dash camera we have a power on and off button, as well as a data transfer and a micro SD card slot which takes up to 64 GB of SD card. Now under the dash cam you have 4 buttons as well as a factory reset button. Mic input is also available too. We're going to have a look into the menu of the camera once we power it up. Now accessing the menu of your dash camera is very easy and straightforward. Now all the shortcut keys you see on the top here are accessed by the buttons down below. Now by pressing the first button, which is a cog, you're going to access all the settings of your dash camera, which are divided in 2 sections. One is for the video, another one is for the general settings. By pressing OK, you can go into the video settings, where you're going to see the option for camera resolution. You have a selection in here what you would like to do. It's a QHD at 30 frames or full HD at 30 frames or 60 frames. You can select the appropriate option for yourself. Then you have got the option for the loop recording, which by default is set to 1 minute, and I have changed to 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a decent time. Next we have is the dual camera display, which you can set how you want it to do. Then is the WDR, which is wide dynamic range. By turning this one on, always give you better. Your videos will not be overexposed or underexposed. Next we have is the recording audio. If you like to turn on and off, date and time stamp you want in your video or not. And the G sensor, which by default is set to low. I have changed to medium because setting it in low means it will be detected by every single bit of a shock, and whenever a G sensor is set, a video will be recorded and locked in your SD card too. The next option is the journal settings of your dash camera, where you have got an option for the screen saver, time and date, beep sound, languages, parking monitor, frequency, infrared lights, format your micro SD card, which I would highly recommend when you start it first time. The second one is defaulting your settings and the firmware. You can also access whatever you have on your SD card by press of this button with this short key, and it's going to show you whatever is available in there. Next is by switching the display. where you can have the front camera or the rear camera if you want to. Now camera also come with the GPS module, which is on the top, and it also come with the magnetic lock, which you have to remember to completely secure it. Well, it took me only 5 minutes to install this whole camera in my car and tidy up all the wiring as well, getting into the trims. And that's how you simply install this. And you want this cabin camera to cover the whole of your car, which is very easy to do so when it's powered up. Now here we are in the end of the video, and I suppose I've shown you enough around this whole video to make up your mind that is this AUTO-VOX dual lens dash camera for you or not. I hope I have covered each and everything you wanted to know about it. Now if you'd like to know my own personal opinion, to be honest with you, it's not that bad at all. Day and night recording is fantastic, as well as the GPS trackable video recording too, which I've shown you a little demo using the AUTO-VOX player, which is available from their website too. Now, if you would ask me, will I recommend this dash camera? Hell yes, guys, it is fantastic and a must have, to be honest with you. The quality you get is great, video is fantastic, all is great as well. Come with a very competitive price. What else you want? That would be all from my side. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.